two glass door refrigerator. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right. We have a length of 38 inches. A depth of 20.5 inches. And a height of 65 inches tall with legs. Included are 4 adjustable shelves. Each shelf can be adjusted to the height of your preference, and each shelf will measure 33 3/4 inches in length by 15.5 inches in depth. Measurements apply for each of the 4 shelves. Interior dimensions for the refrigerator will include 35 inches in length by 16 inches in depth by 49 inches in height. 49 inches in height applies from the floor to the top of the door frame. Interior blow fans located on the left and right side, along with the temperature control and light switch for the light strips located on the right and left door panels. Keys and locks will also be provided for the left and right door. Coming to the back of the unit will be the e-tail certification, along with the 110/120 voltage plug. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this part.